Hi there. We just got off the Euro Dam in the port of Ketchikan, Alaska. And we're going to take a quick walk up to Creek Street. So you can book tours right here. These booths will be open later. There's more ships coming in. The shopping is over there, up that whole block up there. And over here. This is the Salmon Landing Outlet Mall, it says, or it used to. But there's a mall in there. On the second floor of that mall are restrooms. So last time we were here, a year ago, these jackets were only $19.99. Inflation. Anyway, we're walking up Front Street. Actually, that was Front Street. We're walking up another street. And I'll call that Spruce Mill Road.
You do get a free time.
And so there's all sorts of nonsense here. That's the home of the Lumberjack Show. This is Rain Barrel, Unique Alaskan Gifts. That's the Southeast Alaska Discovery Center, like a park ranger thing. We went in there last time. Oh, I hear the Lumberjack Show, so they are going already. Can you hear that? I think we're going to cut over by it. But it looks like that means going through a big mud puddle. That's Janet behind me. I'm walking fast because I have an 8-minute limit. Back out. So that's the Lumberjack Show in there. I've never been. There's the Euro Dam. So I thought I used to be able to go that way to get to it, but I guess not. So I should have stayed on the road out there, Spruce Mill Road, and then I could cut over. Now if you go straight up, this pink building is some sort of government building. If you go straight up, you'll be at one end of Creek Street. We're gonna go this way and start at this end of Creek Street. I don't know which is the beginning and which is the end. You know, do roads have beginnings and ends? I heard that one man's ceiling is another man's floor. One man's trash is another man's treasure. So. Government, law enforcement. Howdy. So, they've got these signs everywhere pointing to different places. I'm going to try to cross on this crosswalk as soon as we can get somebody to stop for us. And they're stopping. So this is Ketchikan Creek we're approaching. We may see some salmon, although in the video you're probably not going to see any. But there's these little lookouts. There's one over there. There's one here. That's Dolly's, the famous museum. I see lots of dead salmon down there. Across this bridge. think I'm going to make it all the way to the end. So Creek Street, you could see, is built over the water on pilings, and that's, I'm told, how they avoided the law at one time, and these could be houses of ill repute, you know, full of ladies of the evening, like this one right here we're approaching. It's Dolly herself.
Sad but true, we don't.
And there's Niblets, but they're not open yet. And there's Perfect Partners, and they seem to be open. And they have a bunch of that kind of stuff.
Let me see, there should be one of these.
There's a bone,
eel bones.
well, these are husks.
Oh, sorry about that, buddy.
No worries.
This is ivory.
It's supposed to rain later. 100% chance. But right now it's clear, and there's the moon. So this is Alaska's largest gold nugget selection. Hi. Hi. There's a shop around here where I bought salmon. We bought salmon last time. I think it's right there. So they're not open yet.
And I think they have the mailbox.
I wonder if a lot of them, I wonder if you could have asked one of those people. We're trying to mail some postcards. Excuse me. There's another lookout. Let's look out. Look out! Lots of seagulls up here. Lots of food. No rain, no flowers, I always say. Worry is a waste of imagination. Now this building straight in front of me is the funicular, or the little tram that goes up to the Cape Fox Lodge, which is up there, the red building. And I don't know if it's running. That's the salmon place. And that's the same guy. So they have all different kinds of salmon in here. You can go in and find out. There's the eagle's nest. I'm not sure they still use the funicular. It wasn't running a year ago. We rode it 3 years ago. And so from Creek Street, this is Gareth and Janet saying, see you in the next port. Bye.
Bye.